Hi, this is Lakshmi Prasad from PySpiders Rajajinagar. I'm working as a trainer here. So one of our student got placed in a company, so he's going to share his experience.
My name is Kirankumar Badiger. I'm from Gadag. Completed my computer science and engineering in Tontadarya College of Engineering. So I joined PySpiders Rajajinagar in the month of February. So I took Python full stack development course. So initially it was the SQL course was taken by Vinod Sir, and Python was taken by Keshav Sir, and web development was taken by Govind Sir, and lastly the Django was taken by Alex Sir. So overall, the learning experience was great here. All the teachers, all the trainers were supportive, and they solved all the queries they had, and it was worth coming.
So yeah, which are the other activities help to crack interview?
So the boot camp we did, it encouraged or it gave the confidence to talk, and it improved the communication and presentation skills, and even the mock interviews were helpful in cracking the interview.
Yes, congratulations.
Thank you.
Thank you.